Welcome to Vision Class and welcome back to this Senior for Mathematics and Complex Numbers. We are looking at properties of modulus and we are now on example 4. Example 4 says that we are given two complex numbers, Z1 and Z2. And then they're asking us to find part A, the magnitude of Z1 times Z2. So the solution is, for part A, which is the magnitude of Z1 times the magnitude times Z2, this is the same as the magnitude of Z1 and the magnitude of Z2. So let's start by getting the magnitude of Z1, which is the same as the square root of x. This is Z1, x is 4 squared plus y. Y is 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 squared. Then you press the calculator. What is 4 squared? 16. 16 plus 2 divided by 3 squared is 4 out of 9 plus 16. We press new calculator. It's giving me here 16.4444 by the 4 decimal places. And then you find the square root of that value, giving us 4.0552 units. This is the magnitude of Z1. And then you go on and find the magnitude of Z2 by similar method. Z2, the real part is 2, that is x, 2 squared, plus the imaginary part. The coefficient of the imaginary part is -1. Then you square it. And then, what is 2 squared? 4. 4 plus -1 is squared, that is 5. And then, you find the square root of 5, 2.236. 2.236 units. This is the magnitude of Z2. Now, part A says Z1, Z2. So we just need to multiply. Therefore, the magnitude of Z1, Z2 is the same as the magnitude of Z1, which is 4.0552. But we are multiplying it by the magnitude of Z2, which is 2.2361. Then you press the calculator. So now 4.0552. We're multiplying it by 2.2361. Please press the calculators so that you get the same answer. 678 units. So the magnitude of Z1, Z2 is 9.0678 units. That is for part A. For part B is saying, find the magnitude of Z2 out of Z1. This is the same as the magnitude of Z2 divided by the magnitude of Z1. And this is the same as, what is the magnitude of Z2? The magnitude of Z2 is 2.2361 divided by the magnitude of Z1, which is 4.0552. That is the magnitude of Z1. And then we simply divide 2.2361 divided by 4.0552. If we divide this, I'm getting here 0.5514 units. So this is the answer for Z2 divided by Z1, which is the solution to part B. And finally, for this number, part C. Part C says that we are supposed to find the magnitude of Z1 plus Z2 divided by Z1. And this is the same as the magnitude of Z1 plus Z2 divided by the magnitude of Z1. Now, the magnitude of this sum is not the same as the sum of the magnitude of these two terms. So the first thing that we need to do is to find Z1, Z2. Z1 plus Z2 is the same as, you come and substitute. What is Z1? 4 plus 2 out of 3i, but adding it to Z2. What is Z2? Z2 is 2 minus I. 2 minus I. Then you collect the like terms. This gives us here 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. What is 2 out of 3 minus 1? 2 divided by 3 minus 1. So here gives us here negative 1 out of 3i. This is just a simple addition. So by now, I believe you're okay with it from our list of videos on that. So this is Z1 plus Z2. Now from here, let's find the magnitude of Z1 plus Z2. Therefore, the magnitude of Z1 plus Z2 is the same as the square root of x. X is 6. 6 squared plus y. Y is negative 1 out of 3. But we are squaring it. So 1 divided by 3 squared plus 36. So on solving this, we shall get here 36.1111. And what is that square root? It is 6.0 something. 6.00939 units. And this is simply just the magnitude of Z1 plus Z2, which we can substitute up here as the numerator. So here now we can now say therefore Z1 plus Z2 out of Z1 is the same as, what is the magnitude of Z1 plus Z2? It is 6.0093. But we are dividing it by the magnitude of Z1. What is the magnitude of Z1? It was already here, 4.0552. So 6.0093 divided by 4.0552. And here we are getting 1.4819 units. So this is the solution to example 4. Here, you're also free to first find Z1 plus Z2. You find this answer. And then you get this answer, which is 6 minus 1 out of 3i. Divide it by Z1. And then you follow the laws of division. And then from there you get an answer, which is a complex number. Now, find the magnitude of that complex number, and you'll be in position to find 1.4819, which is the same answer.